Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this phone number cannot be used at this time, try again later in iPhone. If you are trying to sign in with your Apple ID or trying to create a new Apple ID but you're facing the issue that your phone number cannot be verified, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So basically it happens when you have an unstable network or your phone number is linked to another Apple ID. So let's see how can you fix that. Well, the very first thing is that you just have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your app store, and here you just have to tap on your profile option here, tap on your Apple ID, and you have to check that your country or region is selected correctly. Then go back, open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage up to 5 GB free into your iPhone to run it. And after that, go for software update. Try to make a software update. If you find pending updates, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any type of your data, so you can easily try this, and after doing that your network issue will be fixed, and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed, so it means that your phone number has been already linked to another Apple ID, so you just have to disconnect that first and then retry, or you can use a second number. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, you just have to open your Apple Support app, or you can use Apple Support Web. Tap on your iPhone from here, select more option, select App Store, and here you just have to wait for this loading, then tap on Get More Help, tap on Call Us. Now you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.